Getting started with Phantom Wallet is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. To begin, you need to understand what Phantom Wallet is, which is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Solana cryptocurrency and other digital assets. First, you need to download and install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser, which is available for Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other popular browsers. Once installed, you will be prompted to create a new wallet, which involves generating a unique private key and password. The private key is a sensitive piece of information that gives you access to your wallet, so it is essential to keep it safe and secure. You should never share your private key with anyone, as this could compromise the security of your wallet. After creating your wallet, you will be given a recovery phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is crucial to store the recovery phrase in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. Once your wallet is set up, you can start using it to send and receive Solana cryptocurrency and other digital assets. To do this, you need to navigate to the Phantom Wallet interface, where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other relevant information. To send cryptocurrency, you need to enter the recipient's wallet address, the amount you want to send, and any additional information required by the recipient. To receive cryptocurrency, you need to share your wallet address with the sender, who can then use it to send you the funds. It is essential to note that Phantom Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which means that you have full control over your funds and are responsible for their security. This also means that you should be cautious when using your wallet, as any mistakes or security breaches could result in the loss of your funds. In conclusion, getting started with Phantom Wallet is a relatively simple process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. By following the steps outlined above and taking the necessary precautions to secure your wallet, you can start using Phantom Wallet to store, send, and receive Solana cryptocurrency and other digital assets.